Okay. This is from Grandma.
And Grandpa
Okay.
John.
Yeah, and Grandpa. This says,
A lot of cursive writing.
yeah, I'm gonna take my time. Okay, it says,
Okay,
this gift is as special as you are and once belonged to my great-grandpa. It is somewhat rare and
Here, you can
its
pass that now.
serial number tells us that it was manufactured in 1918, so it is almost 100 years old. Enjoy, and you may someday pass it down.
What was it?
Oh.
Oh, right there.
Oh!
Whoa.
What's that? What's
Oh
that?
my
What's
God.
that?
What's the?
What is that?
Oh,
Let Gran open
there's
it.
the zipper. I was looking for it. Thanks,
What's
Mimi.
that?
Mm.
What's that, Grandma? I think that it's a rifle.
Oh my God, look at that. Wow.
You can shoot a bow? Really? That's a
You
gun.
want to show him? You want to show him how to pick it up, or what to do here?
That's really
Did you
huge.
say it was made in
No, that's
1918?
huge.
Here's your safety.
Cool.
And then you shoot up.
Wow.
Mama,
Quite the gift,
bolt
Peggy.
action.
Now that he's got his hunting license.
That's awesome. Yeah. And you just put it in here.
There you go.
Cool.
Yeah.
Swing right here.
Oh, the little shoulder strap. Really
What kind of gun is that?
It's a 253,000 Savage, and it's got a counter on it, and it is pretty rare.
Gran,
See that brass counter?
You don't find them like that anymore.
Gran,
So when you put bullets in that brass counter, I'll tell you.
Gran.
What?
Did you ever shoot a
Gran,
buck?